Hello, friends and knife nerds. Here are 5 knives that I could recommend to anyone to add to their collection right now. Some are a little bit older, some are a little newer, but they are all excellent, and I guarantee that you will like them. If you end up purchasing one, it can be tough to judge over video, but if you get one of these in your hands, you're not going to be upset. So first, we're going to start with the Kansept Thunderhead, a Casey Sparrow design over at Knives Fast. They did such a great job executing his vision here. It's got this plain cockpit feeling, titanium scales with that really nice feeling diagonal millwork, which I really like. It's kind of straightforward looking, but it's also has his typical kind of cockpit blade look. Nice flat grind stonewash finish. 3.58 inches of S35 VN steel, 8.25 inches when open. It weighs 4.67 ounces. It may be a little heavy to some to carry, but the action, you hear those acoustics, they are so good. The detent is perfect on this thing. The acoustics are awesome, and it's a nice, strong folder. It's a liner lock, like I mentioned, but man, they absolutely nailed the design. The fit and finish, like Kansept usually does, is on point. So next, we're going to move on. The Vanguard Continuum, one of the newer companies in my lexicon, but man, are they right up top now. I am seconds away from buying my next one I just saw, and I hope to show you guys soon. But this medieval design I super like. It's a frame lock, nice and sturdy, fuller that runs the entire length of the blade, so you can really control your detent. This knife feels awesome. All titanium from the pocket clip to the back spacer to the scales, and super smooth detent on this thing. I absolutely love it. The action is awesome. The blade itself is 3.9375 inches of M390 with a nice stonewash and a beautiful fuller, like I mentioned. And that fuller runs the entire length of the knife through the scales. Got this really cool symmetrical medieval look that I dig. The entire length of the knife is 7.81 inches and is 4.74 ounces. A really cool knife. Next, this one is a throwback, but it still deserves to be in everybody's collection, in my opinion. Yeah, the Benchmade Griptilian. These FRN scales are awesome. I've beat on this knife, and it survives. A reversible non-deep carry pocket clip, the original axis / crossbar lock, and the action is still super smooth. I dig this thing. The thumb studs are just amazingly placed. The action is sick, and this blade has been through hell with me. I love it. S30V steel, 3.45 inches of it, 8.07 inches in total length, and 3.76 ounces. I have been batoning with this thing. I have been outdoors with this thing and camping. This thing is an excellent knife and will take a beating. And if not, you can just send it back to Benchmade for whatever problem you're having. They'll send you a replacement within, whatever their warranty is. And you can always send it back for free sharpening, which I've done before, and it comes back nice and sharp. Next, we're going to look at the Chavez Redencion Street Blue Label. Now, Blue Label is kind of the more affordable Chavez knives. And more affordable, I said, yes, please. So, micarta scales, G10 back spacer. I'm not positive what the pocket clip is made of, but it also comes with an optional skeleton face pocket clip, so you can swap those in and out. And that beautiful Chavez Tanto blade. And for 165 bucks, you get an LMAX steel blade. 3.25 inches of it. This knife's total length is 7.25 inches, and it weighs 4.67 ounces. The thumb studs are placed well. The action is absolutely on point. Nice hard use. Well, as hard use as a liner lock can get, but you're going to be able to beat on this knife pretty hard, which I have, and it takes it without question. So it's a really nice investment for LMAX steel at 165 bucks, and I definitely recommend it. if you want to not spend a ton of money, but still spend and get some nice steel and some premium quality control. And now last but certainly not least is the Maxace Black Mirror. One of the best $145, $150 knives out there. S90V steel, 3.3 inches of it, titanium scales, and carbon fiber inlay with this nice titanium back spacer and pocket clip frame lock. Really sweet action, but for 150-ish bucks, you're getting a fully flat ground S90V blade. This has a stone wash in it. There are a few different models out there. They just re-released it recently, but they keep selling out, so I think it's available in certain places, but I mean, it's such a good deal. It sells out very quick, and it's a beautiful knife to carry, and it'll last you years. It's a very nice investment for a really good price. So that is it for the list today, friends and knife nerds. I want to know what you guys think. Do you like any of these knives? Do you dislike? Do you agree with me? And whatever your opinion is, let's talk about it in the comments.